Yo! Morning, guys. Benbrook Lake. Any luck, man? I'm trying to slow reel it off the bottom. Yeah, I caught a shit ton of fish there at Lake Tawakoni. Catfish bite was crazy there. Really? I couldn't get the smell off last night from the catfish bait. Excuse me, makes me cough. Nasty smelling.
The chatterbait through there, you're definitely gonna get ate by something.
A few moments later.
Yo! Time, Jake. No, Jake, come here. First one of the day. In this chatterbait. He swallowed it too. And now I'm in this freaking tree, man. The heck? Come on. Yeah, about 2-pounder. Jumping. Did you see him?
Yeah, I did. Like I said, I've never been here before, but everywhere else is like more rock than this. Like there's not even mud. My man came up and slammed it. Careful now, treble hooks, don't you do it. Yes, sir. As you come around that current seam that we have right there off that point, he's just sitting waiting for that bait to get washed right around that corner. Came up and slammed the Spro crankbait. He jumped one good time before I got the camera going. He tried to jump 2 more, but I was able to hold him down because he's just a little fella. Sweet bite. Nice little largemouth bass. Yes, sir. Let him go. Woo!
Why are you so scared of the fire?
Because it's poking out right there.
I think we're gonna spend all day.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yo.
Benbrook Lake, beautiful morning, crazy looking.
It is, man.
I feel like I've got a few bites here on this chatterbait that I'm using.
Oh yeah.
You caught it?
I had him up on the bank before the camera came on. It is pretty sweet. It was a topwater bite. Definitely.
What are you working with?
This is the Berkeley Chapo, little topwater.
El
Topwater
Chapo?
flopper. Yeah, the Chapo.
We ran into those guys last night. Geese over there. All the ducks, man. Alex and I are both skunked right now. What are you using right now, man?
This is a Megabass 110. This is a big boy jerk bait. This thing's a lot of fun. It's an absolute fish catcher.
Tried several different things right now. I think we're at 6 different lures, worms, spin baits, everything. And nothing yet. It's about 3:30. I'm gonna go pick up the girls. I think we might change up the strat here. We're gonna go fish on some trees. Pulled up back to the camp. The wind can calm down a little bit. The top water is gonna hit.
Relocating right now. We're back over here by the campsite. I go down to the bank by the dock.
Gonna rig up some different things. Picking up the girls. They're gonna catfish. Alex and I are gonna bass fish.
Wind-blown bank, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I guess we're about to find out.
I think it's gonna be a good thing.
I think.
All right, what do you think, Hadley? How many fish are we catching?
0.
Oh my goodness. All right, you're staying. She's staying here.
No, I'm just kidding too.
At least 2 minutes.
I'm saying I'm gonna go with 8. What do you think, Mama? 5. Okay, I like.
A bird sitting around, that means the big
Those-
fish are on this side of the bank for sure.
Heck yeah.
You follow the fish, follow the birds, you get what you're looking for. Take into account things like that, the nature around you. Those things have been,
No doubt.
you know, they gotta live off the fish out here, so it's life or death for them. So you can trust where they're at. There's fish. Got a whole tree.
Oh yeah.
You got the catch of the day right here. Look at that.
Your hiking stick.
About a 10-footer.
You look like that monkey off the Lion King.
Gone full red monkey on us.
I met some new friends and they said, "Hi over there." So his new name is Hi over there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got some action on the drop shot rod again. Just got thumped. Just gonna wait and see if we can't feel them on there. Yep. Oh! Oh man, I had him for a second. It's gone. I gotta stay off all these rocks down here. Dang, dude. It got thumped again in my hand. It's such a tiny hook, too. I don't know how the fish didn't get hooked there. Look at that. Got all the worm except for the piece on there. Again, that's crazy. Dang, man, I felt the bite and everything. There's a good one. Oh, he's trying. Not today.
Did you watch that?
Dude, that happened so fast and didn't have time to press record, but look at that slab. Yes, sir. I just missed one on the last fucking cast, too. On the good old chartreuse red flake. Just an absolute unit of a fish. Look at the mouth. Let him go. Dive straight down every time. Out of there.
I'll catch one while you're changing it up.
I literally defied physics and slingshotted my bait back over the tree and back behind me on the bank.
Really?
I don't know how.
I'll leave that top water where it's gonna be at right now. What are you throwing?
I was throwing a little swoop bait.
You see that? My lure just jumped the fucking log. I'm not scared of throwing right now. Buy some more. Let's get some fish on the board. Hey, con la chinga su madre, wey. I jinxed myself, didn't I? You can always buy a new lure.
Spot number 3, back up in this cove. Still got the catfish rods out. We had a nice little nibble at the last spot, but didn't get it hooked, so we're casting out here on the main lakeside now. Still throwing around some baits for bass too, see if we can't get something to bite this evening. It's looking fishy over here, so got high hopes. Oh, there's a little one. And he got off.
Hey, with JTX.
Outdoors.
Hell yeah, let's go. Okay, go.
No, I don't like.
Turn it off.
You didn't. You turned it on.
Turn it off.
No, you turned it on.
literally
See the light.
I didn't get to throw one in yet. So
Okay, you.
fine. No, you can go ahead.
Parents
No.
do it. No, Daddy.
You're closer.
No.
Look at that, right on the top. Try to throw it right on the top, baby.
I'm trying to
That'll
throw it
catch.
like right there.
It'll catch.
Okay. So there was a mom. Her name was Mom.
Sounds like a scary lady.
Rawr.
And she had a child named Hoodley. Number 1 was Mom.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think this story is crooked.
No, it's not.
It's real.
She's my number 1. You're my number 2. There was a guy named Dad. And
You're just a guy.
the guy is a tickle monster.
Wow.
That wasn't really
okay.
scary. It was fun.